Today we're gonna make miso soup in under 10 minutes. Hi guys, thanks for dropping by. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Please hit that notification bell so you get notified when we upload new content every week. Today we're gonna make miso soup in under 10 minutes. That's right, 10 minutes. This is the very same miso soup that they serve in restaurants. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, so we need onion leeks, 2 teaspoons of instant dashi powder, 5 grams of dried wakame seaweed, and 3 tablespoons of miso paste. Now we need 4 cups of water. I'll start off by adding our onion leeks to the water. Okay. Now I'm adding the dashi powder. Okay. Now let's stir it, mix it well, and we're going to bring this to a boil for about 5 minutes over medium heat. So for now, we're just going to cook the onion with the dashi and make sure not to overcook it. Now let's cover it. Now after 5 minutes of cooking, the water is already boiling, so we will need to adjust our temperature to low heat, and we're going to add our miso. Now we need a miso strainer so that we can remove the lumps from the miso when combining it to the boiling water, just like this. Remember not to skip this step, otherwise your soup will be lumpy. By the way, you can adjust how much miso paste you would want to your soup, somewhere between 2 to 4 tablespoons, but I use 3. It will become very salty if we put more than 4 tablespoons. So if I were to describe it, the consistency of this miso paste is like peanut butter. Now, let's add our dried wakame seaweed. Okay. Now we're gonna cook this covered for an additional 2 minutes. You do not want to overcook your miso paste because it affects the flavor. Now we're done. So this is our miso soup. That was so easy. So here you go. Miso soup, very tasty.